Welcome to California. What's up, guys? What's going on? I just wanted to give a quick update video because I was pumping out a whole bunch of videos almost kind of on a daily basis, and then I just stopped for what seems like forever. So this is a really awesome, amazing week for me, but at the same time I also get to bring you guys along. I just want to say it right now. I just want to go into the whole video and just say it right now, but I can't. So today, this week has been phenomenal. Everything has just lined up the way it should. I'm so excited that I'm not excited, if that makes any sense. However, again, very short, very quick video just to say that, one, I'm still here. Two, I got a couple of videos, but one of them, which I should have done today because it was a really nice day out. It was like 70. It hit the 70s, like 72 degrees today. But I had so many other things to do, so I couldn't do it, which was an actual tour of my van, which I have not done at all. I mean, you guys know like nothing, and you've probably seen that, my PlayStation, and obviously you've seen my bed a million times, sort of, but you didn't even see the whole thing. So I kind of want to go over that as far as the do's and don'ts that I feel if I rewind time and I do it all over again, what would I do differently, especially when it comes to the bed and all that. That would probably be the biggest thing, the bed. Overall layout, overall design. But anyways, I'm going to go through my layout and soon, in the next couple of days. And on top of that, so also, I realized today, it was just a random thought, since all I do is fix stuff all the time, cars and people's houses, and I'm having an issue with my car at the moment, I figured I'd start doing a lot of more how to diagnose and how to fix your car kind of things. I think that's very important for people that don't have any type of knowledge. Yes, I know there's a YouTube, but here I am. Don't watch them. Watch me. Anyways, yeah, so as things happen, which they are, I'm going to start documenting that. Like, I have to deal with something tomorrow, so I'll make a video about that. But I got a really big video coming, and Wednesday will be the reveal.